My project is, in its simplest terms, research about research. And what we're doing is basically looking at the connection between undergraduates and researchers, specifically at Vanderbilt. Vanderbilt is a massive institution when it comes to research, but we feel that improvement can be made in regards to undergraduates learning about opportunities to get involved in research, but also for researchers to be able to better display the work they've done to undergraduates, because both are very important, just again, considering how big we are a research institution. Basically, my faculty member, Dr. Oliver, told me about this area outside the Stevenson Center lecture halls where there's scientific images currently up on the walls. They've been there for many years. They get updated every so often. But the issue is that people really aren't interacting with them that often. And it's important that they should be interacting with research in some way, because this work is so critical to advancing research in so many different fields. And so basically the way we want to tackle this problem is to develop an interactive display, in this case an iPad, that houses an application where students, faculty, anyone can browse through a library of videos that I've conducted with principal investigators and heads of research groups in 6 different disciplines, ranging from health and medicine to law, business, and politics, and basically learn about research, the research that person specifically has done, and also learn about what undergraduates do with that person. So it helps tackle the issue from 2 areas. Particularly, I've had to learn about the way that students interact with educational subjects is probably the biggest thing I've had to learn, because a student myself, the way that I like to learn things and the way that I like to learn about innovative topics is completely different from the way that others do. But it basically required me to think about the way that technology informs us as both the undergraduate population, as a society, and help kind of manipulate that, just how important technology is to all of us. Basically use that to help people engage with research. And so when it comes to the communicating science and technology, it's a brand new field, something I hadn't done before, but I was able to learn about the way that science and technology intersect, because we often kind of leave them separate. As a pre-med student myself, this was a nice little break from bench research, which this is allowed me to basically use a computer all the time and talk with students, which is obviously very engaging and something that I really enjoyed. And so just having the basically being able to go into the undergraduate population and figure out the way they work, the things they appreciate when they're trying to informally learn, which is incredibly difficult at times to research, has really been beneficial in how I personally study and the ways that I think about how research can best be presented.